Hey Flutter devs, welcome back to BLoC Mistakes, the series we fix one common mistake at a time. Today's mistake is a silent killer for long-term maintainability, putting all your app's logic into one giant state class. At first, this might seem like a clever shortcut. You create one AppState class, it has everything, auth, card, theme, and sure, it works. But as your app grows, this becomes a problem. Suddenly, your widget depends on AppState, even though it only cares about the card. You try to write a unit test for just the auth logic, but guess what? You have to mock the entire AppState just to test simple login flow. You change the theme, the card widget rebuilds. Why? Because they all share the same state class. And debugging? It becomes a nightmare. One small state change could trigger a full rebuild, or worse, bugs that are nearly impossible to trace back. Now, let's do it the right way, split by feature. Each piece of your app becomes isolated, testable, and maintainable. This isn't just about the code, it's about the architecture. It's about being able to reason about your app, being able to refactor confidently, being able to test a single feature without dragging the whole app with it. So remember, avoid giant umbrella state, use a small focus qubit or block for each features, keep your state shallow, specific, and modular. That's how you keep your code clean and maintainable. This was a mistake number 4 in BLoC Mistakes series. Want to write scalable testable Flutter code? Follow for more deep Flutter tips.